Welcome students, here we are discussing how to draw a graph of sec inverse x. This topic has been taken from the chapter inverse trigonometric functions. So here function is sec inverse x. So we can write here fx is equal to sec inverse of x. Correct? Here domain of this function is entire set of real number minus 0. Function f is defined from set of real number minus 0 to range is 0 to pi, this is open interval, minus pi by 2. Okay. Here this range 0 to pi minus pi by 2 is called principal value branch. Here 0 to pi minus pi by 2 is called principal value branch. Correct. And other branches are pi to 2 pi open interval minus 3 pi by 2. Then 2 pi to 3 pi minus 5 pi by 2 and so on. And as you know that for drawing any graph we need some points along with their coordinates, and after plotting these points with the help of their coordinates we join all the points with the help of freehand curve. Then we will get the required graph. So we have to take some values of sec inverse x and corresponding values of x. This will give coordinates of some points that will be helpful for drawing a graph of sec inverse x. Here we will take x and sec inverse x. So we can start from 0, and you know that sec is 1 by cos. So if we take 0, then 1 by cos 0 is 1, then we will get here 1, correct? This is 0. Then we will take 30 degree. 30 degree is pi by 6. And what will be the value of sec pi by 6? That is equal to, you know that sec pi by 6 is equal to 1 upon cos of pi by 6. And this is 1 upon cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So this is equal to 2 by root 3. Now we have to get decimal form. So multiplying numerator and denominator with root 3. So this is equal to 2 root 3 by 3. And root 3 is equal to 1.73 divided by 3. This is equal to 3.46 upon 3, and this is equal to 1.15. Correct? So therefore sec pi by 6 is equal to 1.15. Now we'll take 45 degree. 45 degree is pi by 4. So sec pi by 4 is equal to 1 upon cos pi by 4, and this is equal to 1 upon cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, and this is equal to root 2, and value of root 2 is 1.41. So sec inverse of x when x is pi by 4, value of x is 1.41. Correct? Now we have to take 60 degree. 60 degree means pi by 3. So sec of pi by 3 means 1 upon cos of pi by 3, and cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 1 upon 2, this is equal to 2. After 60 degree, we will not take 90 degree because sec inverse x is not defined at pi by 2. Correct? So we'll come directly to 120 degree. 120 degree means 2 pi by 3. Correct? And this 2 pi by 3 is this angle 2 pi by 3 lies in second quadrant, isn't it? So second quadrant sec is negative. So this will be minus 2. The next angle we will take, this is 3 pi by 4. This is 135 degree. Okay. So this will be equal to minus 1.41 because this angle is also lying in the second quadrant. Clear? Second quadrant sec is negative. Then we will take angle 5 pi by 6 minus 1.15 and then we will take angle pi. Pi is equal to sec inverse x. When x is pi, this is minus 1. So with the help of coordinates of these points, we can draw a graph. So if you take these points, point A, coordinates, values of x will be taken along x-axis and values of sec inverse x will be taken along y-axis. So these are x coordinates and these are y coordinates. So if we take first point A, then coordinates will be 1, 0, 1, 0. Next point B, coordinate will be 1.15 and pi by 6, 1.15 and pi by 6. Then we take point C, coordinates will be 1.41 and pi by 4, 1.41 and pi by 4. Then we can take another point D, coordinates will be 2 and pi by 3, 2 and pi by 3. Then minus 2 and 2 pi by 3, point E, minus 2 and 2 pi by 3. Then we can take point F, minus 1.41 and 3 pi by 4, minus 1.41 and 3 pi by 4. Then we can take point G, coordinates minus 1.15, 1.15 and 5 pi by 6 and minus 1 and pi. This is point H. So with the help of these points with coordinates, we can draw graph of this function sec inverse x. So now let us take axis system here. In this case, as we are not taking negative value of angles, negative value of sec inverse x, so the graph will not lie in third and fourth quadrant, only graph will lie in first and second quadrant. Because we are having some positive values of x, so this will lie in the first quadrant. We are having negative values of x, so this part of the graph will lie in the second quadrant. So let us take axis system here. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So origin is here. Now we have to take these angles along y-axis. So angle 0 will lie on the origin. So we can take point A here. Another angle is pi by 6. It is convenient to take multiple of 30 degree first along the y-axis. So suppose this is pi by 6, then pi by 3. This is 2 pi by 3. Here we can take 5 pi by 6. So in between pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3, this will be pi by 2, correct? And in between 2 pi by 3 and this is 5 pi by 6. So in between 2 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 6, there is 3 pi by 4, correct? And if we proceed it, we'll get angle pi here. We need to proceed this x-axis here like this. So somewhere this will be pi. Along x-axis, we are taking 1 here, 2 here, and so on, -1, -2, and so on, correct? Now first we are taking point, value of x is 1 and value of y is 0. So there will be a point with coordinates x1 and y0. So let us write here A. The next point will be x is 1.15 and y is pi by 6. So this will be approximately here point B. Then pi by 4 and 1.41. X coordinate is 1.41, y coordinate is pi by 4, 45 degree. So in between 60 degree, in between 30 degree and 60 degree, there will be 45 degree, pi by 4 here, correct? So 1.41 x coordinate and pi by 4 y coordinate. 1.41 somewhere here. This is point C. Then point D has coordinates 2 and pi by 3. 2 and pi by 3. So we can take a point here roughly. Point D. Next point is x coordinate is -2 and y coordinate is 2 pi by 3. So -2 is here, 2 pi by 3 is here. So approximately we can plot a point. This is point E. Then -1.41 is x coordinate and 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is here and x coordinate will be -1.41. This will be approximately here. This is point F. And next -1.15 and 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 is here and -1.15. So approximately here. So this is point G. And one more point is here, point H. X coordinate is -1 and y coordinate is pi. We have taken pi here. So -1 and pi somewhere here. Okay, this is point H. Clear? As we have already discussed that this function sec inverse x is not defined at pi by 2. So our graph for sec inverse x will not touch this line. Okay, breaking line, that will not touch. So let us draw a freehand curve now. So in the first quadrant, graph will be like this, and in the second quadrant, graph will be like this. This will not touch value where y coordinate is pi by 2. So this is very interesting, little bit tricky, but hope you understood it. So very important for class 12 as well as competitive examinations, for BTech and B entrance examination. So hope you understood it, and remain in touch with these videos, this channel. We have to see some more important questions, and in the next video we will discuss how to draw a graph of cosec inverse x. And if you have any doubt, you want any clarification or want to give any suggestion, please write in the comment box. I will definitely see it. And if you are getting benefit or enjoying these videos, your likes are most welcome. And hope you have subscribed this channel. If not, please get it subscribed and share this video with your friends also. Wish you all the best.